This is our smoker. This is our custom handle. This is our grate that'll hold the meat and any other material that is going to be cooked. Here, this little tab of metal is going to hold or ensure that the grate will not tip over or try to tip over. We have two of these tabs on each side, and I'm going to pull out the grate with my hand, one-handed, but there is handles. This is the piece of metal right here that holds the grate from going into the tank. We have two of those also. This piece of metal down here is called the baffle, and it will collect the meat or fats or anything that falls off the meat that through the grate. This is our smokestack. Here's our customly made hinges. We just took 3 pieces of not old, but metal, and then we got grade 5 bolts and put them through here and tacked the end of the nut so the nut doesn't screw off. We did the same thing here to this one, but this one only supplies 2 pieces of metal for the center of the lid. Over here is same as the other side, 3 pieces of metal and grade 5 bolt, and tack the nut to the bolt so it doesn't screw off when you lift and close the lid. And this is the full view of the tank with the lid open, smokestack, the grate pulled out, and this is called a reverse flow tank because the firebox is going to be down here. It's going to go up under this big plate or the baffle, then come up over here and go all the way up over and come up the smokestack. And then on top of the smokestack, it'll come out. And I'll let you see the grate like it's flat. We kept the factory legs on the tank so we can ensure that the tank is level, because they make the tank level with those legs, so we kept them so we can build everything on the tank with the level, so it'll be level whenever we put it out when we're finished with it. But this is what the tank's gonna look like close to being finished. In this little hole right here is where the thermometer is more than likely going to go. If not, we're gonna have one probably seal it up and put the thermometer here, not on this side, but on the back side of the lid, right there. If we don't do that, if we don't put it there, then it's going to go in that little hole right there. This is the tank, what the tank looks like with everything closed. I'm going to get up a little higher so you can see what it looks like from above.